Hello to all of my dear friends. I hope you're doing great and feeling well. Welcome back to one more video from Hyperpix Productions. I'm Mary and I'm so glad to have the chance to be back with one more video and introduce one more of our so attractive and popular products to you. So today's style is a Bling Bling text and logo effect volume 3, which is one of the most detailed and most interesting products, which if you just check out the details, you're going to see how much our designers have put effort and time to create a totally different and special style, which is eye-catching, is so fancy and luxurious and beautiful. And by using this product, you can just convert your text or logo into this brilliant and magnificent style and create an amazing design and just surprise your clients and customers and just increase the level of your work and the quality of your work. So to access, just refer to hyperpix.net, and by joining the IP account, you're going to have a total access to this product and every other product you see in our website. So I'll make it short. This product works great on all different languages. It doesn't matter what language you decide to use. This is an example of how it works on Japanese. Just check out how perfect it's working on Japanese. The result is exactly the same. Also on any logo you decide to use, you can just do so don't worry about anything. This is Prada logo. Just check out the details and the excellent result. So I'm going to show you how you can do so and how you can work with this product. So just follow me to the end of the video. To get started, just right click on the yellow layer and click edit content in a window which appears right here. It's so easy. Just double click on the text layer and just type your ideal text just like this as I do. So you can also increase the distance to the characters, give a little gap, or just lessen the distance. You can just move around the text, place it wherever you want. I'm going to place it right in the center, close and click save just with a single click. We're going to wait a moment and you're going to see our style. So just see how nice and great is converted into our text. The result is honestly impressive. Everything's applied automatically on our text without doing any extra things or putting any extra time or effort. So I'm going to show you the rest of the layers. Just before we get started, from the effects folder, we're going to switch off the extrusion section right here. It has 3 levels which creates the depth, the 3D depth. For instance, if we switch off 2 of the layers, just check out. As you see, the depth and the level is decreased. If I just add level number 2, we're going to see it's added to the depth. And also you saw how it worked with all 3 levels. So you also have a total excess. So I'm going to leave level 3 back on. So guys, I suggest you to just switch off the whole extrusion folder, just temporary, as I told you earlier on, and just come back finally and switch it back on. It makes your editing much more easy and light, so you can get on with your editing faster and finally come back and switch it back on. So don't worry about anything. So now that we have the effects folder open, let's get on with the rest of the layers. In the objects section, if you just check out, it contains our gold pattern and these beautiful shiny diamonds, which you can easily drag them and just see the changes which it makes. We have some totally different and new results, so you can just drag around a pattern and just place it on any part you like and just leave it there, and they're going to be witness of some amazing results. For instance, I want some diamonds here, so I'm going to drag it. Just see how brilliant it works. Honestly, it's fantastic. So also with Alt, you can get copies of them and drag them anywhere you want and just drag and drop. As easy as you see, you can control everything and control your text. So also you can switch off the diamonds if you don't want them remaining, just like this. So we place them back, and here we go. It's fantastic. So we don't need the styles folder because it contains the text layers and the main layers of our style, which it makes our text much more bright and shiny. So in the sparkles folder, we have two groups. The first group is the text sparkles, which if I switch it off, you're going to see that the text sparkles are switched off. If I switch it back on, you see all these like sparkles spread all over, which you can just select them one by one and place them in the right place. Preferentially, just try to place them on the edges and the corners of your text, just like this, on the places which you want an amazing light reflection for yourself, which I think is so interesting. All it needs is just a little patience and a little time and effort. You just need to put a few minutes and place the sparkles one by one in the best place so you have the best result possible. So you can just select the extra ones and just remove them, as you see I'm doing right now. It's so easy, honestly. So place them in the right place. One more here. So it's perfect. So we'll also remove this one and done. The sparkles which belong to our chain, which appear at the top right here, you can also control them. We have two texts at the bottom right here, which is so easy. You can just drag them around and edit them. Also, you can just double click and change the text and edit it and type your ideal text or anything you want, which is a interesting feature and option which we have placed for you. So we have the adjustments folder right here, which you can control the brightness and contrast settings and handle them and just make any changes you want, as easy as you see right here. Also, you can just create a color balance right here and also change around the colors a little based on your taste and to your likings. You can select any color you want. Also, just change the opacity from at the top right here. Our next group is the chain, which you can just have the chain with sparkles remaining and just move it around. As you see I'm doing right now, just drag it and place wherever you want. As you see, so also in this section right here, we have the chain on the left side and the chain on the right side, which are in separate layers, which is an amazing feature. So finally we have the particles, which are these particles in the background, which you can just select each one of them you want, select any particle you want and just drag it around, move it around, and drop it anywhere you want depending on your project and to your likings, and get to some amazing designs. This was our style. We're done with it. I'm just going to switch the extrusion back on so you see the 3D effect. So as you see our fantastic result, I'm sure you agree with me. It turned out to look so amazing. So as I promised earlier, I'm going to show you how you can convert it into a logo just with a single click. So we'll come back to this window right here. We're going to insert our logo. So here we go, we'll drag the logo right here, insert the product logo right in the center. So we don't need our text, we'll just remove it. So everything's perfect, we'll close and just click save. Wait a moment till our result is ready. So here is our fantastic result. Just check out how magnificent it worked out. I hope you enjoyed it so much. All you need to do is to just modify a little, customize a little, and just place the chains in the right place and get to this brilliant result which I have got ready earlier. You can just surprise and impress your customers and your clients right now. You can make so many different uses for flyers, for invitation cards, for posters, for packaging designs and anything you can imagine, anything like connected to packaging and things like that. And also you can use it in hip hop music covers, which our customers use it so much. So I suggest you, if you are a music cover designer, don't miss out on our covers. So to download, you just need to refer to hyperpix.net, join our VIP account and get the membership, and you're going to have a total and complete access to our collection. So if you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to share with your friends. Thanks for watching. Bye to our next video from Mary.